Good morning again. We're doing B. Now we're on B, page 160. Reading pictograms. Reading pictograms. What are pictograms? Who can think? I think they've got something to do with pictures from the word pictogram. Is that right? Number 1 on page 160. Arif, Sue and Muthu bake some cookies. They make cookies, right? Look at each one of their plates. Let's have a look at Arif, and here it is. We can use pictogram to show the number of cookies. Instead of putting numbers like before, we're going to use pictures now because we are doing pictograms. Right. A pictogram uses pictures to show information. How do you read the pictogram? Let's see. What we do is we go to the name of the boy, Arif, and we count how many cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Arif has 8 cookies. That's the answer. Now, how many does Sue have? We count her cookies. We go under her name and we look at the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is Sue. She's got 4 cookies. Muthu. Let's see how many cookies he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6. So each cookie stands for 1. So each cookie is a number. So 1 cookie is 1. 2 is 2 cookies like this. So each one is a number. 1, 1, 1, 1. From the pictogram, Arif bakes 8 cookies. That's right. Sue bakes 4 cookies. Muthu bakes 6 cookies. Very good. Look here now on page 161. Number 2. This is a pictogram, right? Because it has pictures of books. This pictogram shows the number of books read by 3 children. See? Look at the children in the table. It's a pictogram. Amy, Bob, and Lisa. You tell me, how many books does Amy read? Count them in pink. Then how many books does Bob read? Count them in yellow. And how many books does Lisa read? Count them in green. And each book stands for 1 book, right? Each book picture stands for 1. So how many books does Amy read? Who reads the most number of books? Can you tell me the most? The most. We're doing A now. Who reads the most number of books? Who reads the least number of books? So if Amy reads 9 and Bob reads 3, which one is more? 9. And whose name is it? Amy. So Amy reads the most books. Who reads the least books? The less. Very good. Bob reads the least books. Very good. Amy reads 9 books. Bob reads 4 books. Lisa reads 6 books. So 9 for Amy, 4 for Bob, and 6 for Lisa. Look here. Which is the biggest number? 9. So that is the most. Which is the least number? And that is the least, the less number. Again, Amy reads the most number of books. The biggest number, huh? Because I'm going to come to this question. And Bob reads the least number of books, the less number. Okay? How many more books does Amy read than Lisa? So put a line. First thing we do, we put a line under the 2 names, first of all. Amy, or put a circle on Amy. B, we're doing B now. B, question B. Yes, you put a circle on Amy and Lisa. So Amy has the most, so put 9 minus, we want to see the difference between Amy and Lisa. So you put the biggest number, 9, that's for Amy, that's her number. And Lisa, look at her number. Lisa, you put her number, and then you put equals. So 9 minus, or take away 6 equals 3. So Lisa, she has more than, Amy has more than Lisa in how many books? 3 books, remember? Or you can do it in the other way where I showed you, put circles and see the ones which are different if you make them equal. But do it now like this. That was before. Now you know more. You can just put the numbers. C. how many fewer books does Bob read than Amy? So we're going to circle the name Bob and Amy. It's the same thing. They're just trying to trick you. Look, Bob, put a circle on Bob, put a circle on Amy. Then you take that big number. Who's more, Bob or Amy? Bob or Amy? Amy, you put her number first because it's the biggest number. Then we said anything with more than, you put minus, so 9 minus. How about Amy? Where's her number? Where is the less one? 4. Because Bob is less, that comes next. 4 equals 5. So Bob has less than Amy in 5 books. Look, if you look at him missing in his, to make them equal, we have to put another book, 5 more books for Bob, right? So he has 5 less than Amy, which is right. D, we're getting faster now because you can do it. I am going to tell you now, this might be different, you see, because there's a different word here. D, how many books do the children read all together? All together, how many do they read all together? Let us see. So, what are they saying now? Look, all together, I will make it easy for you. First of all, you add 2 numbers together. So 9 plus 4. So you've got the 3 numbers. Put them there. 3 numbers. One reads 9, one reads 4, and one reads 6 books, right? So first you add, put this up. 9 add 4 equals, we'll take the first 2 books. So 9 plus 4, which is Amy and then Bob. Together they read 13. But still we have to add them to Lisa's because she's reading as well 6 more books. So we say, first of all, we'll do the 2 to make it easy. 9 plus 4 equals 13. And then 13 plus 6, the other 6 for Lisa, makes it 19. So how many altogether these books are? This is a bit challenging, but you can try. The children read 19 books together. You don't have to do this one. This is just, I've explained it. Whoever likes to understand, I have to explain it because it's on the page. But you don't have to do this one, but I have to explain it, okay? This is addition. We've completed part B about pictograms. Let's go to the other part, which is C.